Would you pay this much for a gaming PC? Let's see if my build was worth it. Let's start with the case. I paid $194 for the NZXT H9 Elite. My GPU is the RTX 4070 Super dual overclock in white, and I paid $660 for it. I paid $318 for my CPU, which was the AMD Ryzen 7 7700X. I paid $290 for my motherboard, which was the Gigabyte X870 Aorus Elite. For RAM, I got 32 gigabytes from the G.Skill Trident Z5 Royal series. It cost me $140. For storage, we have my SSD and my HDD, and I know that second one is pretty controversial. For the SSD, I have the Samsung 990 Pro 2TB, and it cost me $180. My HDD was the Seagate Barracuda, and it was 2TB, and it cost me $65. For power supply, I paid $140 for my Corsair RM850. I paid $280 for my AIO, which was the NZXT Kraken Elite 360. And yes, I paid $140 for Windows 11. That brings our total to about $2,400. So, did I get ripped off or did I find the best deals? Would you pay this much?